Hey, eighth graders, happy Monday. I wanted to do something a little different for the rest of the year. The rest of the year is going to be basically review. Some of the topics that I normally would have covered in class are a little hard to do through distance learning, and they're not as critical for next year when you go into Algebra 1. So I really want to kind of hone in on some skills that you need for Algebra 1 without any doubt. Okay, so a lot of it's going to be review. Today we're going to focus on reviewing integers. Even though we've been doing integers all year, I want to make sure you have that like focused, laser sharp knowledge of integers. So there's two assignments. The first one is for addition and subtraction. The second is going to be for multiplication and division. The first one is interesting. This is on a Google Sheet, and everyone's going to get their own copy, so they're going to start from the beginning. And what you're going to do is you're going to go through, and you're looking at a copy of it right now, you're going to go through and answer the question. So the first one is negative 10 plus 7. So you're going to type in negative 3. And if you look over here, because I already did it, it filled in a mystery picture for you. It's going to start from the outside and work its way in. It's going to make a really cool photo. Next one, 14 minus negative 31. That's negative 17. Actually, watch this. I'm going to put in the wrong answer. Negative 19. So that turns red. Okay, so if it turns red, that means the answer is wrong. So you got to go back and fix it. And like I said, it's negative 17. Let me see if it'll let me do it. Here we go. Negative 17. And another part of the border over here fills in for the photo. So you're going to do that until you're done. They're mostly two numbers, but towards the end here, there's somewhere there's three numbers. So really be careful with the signs. But the nice thing is it's all self-checking. If it's red, it's wrong. If it gives you part of the border, it's right. Okay. When you're done with that, you want to go into the assignment and turn it in. Okay. If you share it with me, I'll get it, but I prefer that you turn it in on the assignment because that's where I'm going to grade it. All right. Now, the second one is, where did it go? Multiplying and dividing integers. It's just a review on Google Form. I know you guys are way stronger with multiplying and dividing, so I thought we'd just do that really quick. This is like any other Google form. You turn it in, you submit it, and it'll self-grade for you. Okay, so that's it for today in terms of our review. Our review for the rest of the year is going to build from one lesson to another. So today's lesson is going to be hooked in with Wednesday's lesson, which is order of operations. So we're going to just kind of go through the highlights of the year and review it to the end. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.